Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to recite a poem, Puppy and I. This poem belongs to class 3 NCRT. The poet of this poem is A. Milne. So, children, let's recite with me. I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said. I said to the man as he went by. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. I will come with you, puppy, said I. So, children, this was your poem. In this way, you will recite and learn the poem. Now, here comes the new words. Before describing the new words, I would like to explain this poem, children. In this poem, there is a little boy, as you can see in the picture, children. See, this is a little boy. This little boy first meets a man. This is a man. Now, the boy asks this man that where is are you going? Then the man says that I am going to village to get some bread. Would you like to come with me, little boy? Then the boy said, no, I don't like to come with you. And after that, this boy meets a horse. See? Okay. Then again, this boy asks the horse, where are you going, horse? The horse said, I am going down the village to get some hay. Okay? Because horse eats hay. Then the horse said, the boy, dear boy, will you come with me? Then the boy said, no, I will not come with you. Hmm? Now here comes a small puppy. See, this is a puppy, okay? Do you know who a puppy is? Yes, it is a baby dog. Very good. The young one of a dog is called puppy. So again, when the boy meets this puppy, okay, he asked the puppy that, hey puppy, where are you going? Then the puppy replied, I am going up to the hills and there I will roll, there I will play, then enjoy. Then this boy agrees to come with puppy. He says, okay, I will also join you. Then both of them went to the hills and there they rolled and played together and enjoy. Because children, you also want to play, right? So this boy went with the puppy. Okay, children, so this was the poem. Now come to new words, children. The first new word is village. Do you know village? Countryside. In Hindi, you can say it gaon. Okay. Now next is hills. Hills, children, see? Hills. Hills you have seen like this. Okay, these are the hills. Hills means mountains, small mountains, pahad. Right? Next, bread. What do you mean by bread? A kind of food is called a bread here. Not the simple bread that we purchase from the shop. It can be chapati, it can be anything else. That is called bread, something to eat. Now, hay. Hay means dry grass. Dry grass, okay? Some animals like cows, buffaloes, horses, goats, they love to eat dry grass. Okay, that is called hay. Now, roll. Roll means Move along by turning over. Roll and roll, just like the ball rolls on the ground in the same way. Okay, the puppy wanted to roll and play. So that is roll. Now come play. Play means play means just like children want to play games like this. Okay, khel. Okay, children. Now let's move on to next page. This is reading is fun. Hmm. So the first question is, hmm, who is I in the poem? Who is I in the poem, children? Yes, the I in the poem is the little boy. The little boy. Very good. Question number two. Where was the man going? The man was going to the, yes, village. The man was going to the village. Now come to question number three. Why didn't the child go to the horse? Go with the horse. The answer is the child didn't go with the horse because he knew that he would be busy getting hay, because the horse was going to the village to get some hay, but the child wanted to play, that's why he didn't go with the horse. Next is question number 4. Why did the child go with the puppy? The child went with the puppy because he was going to the hills to roll and play, and the child also wished to play. That's why he went with the puppy, right? Okay. Now come to talk time, children. Okay. Now you have to talk, you have to speak over here. Question number 1 is, do you have a pet? I think most of you have a pet at your house and some of you don't. So, here your answers may vary from person to person. So, those who have a pet, they have to write, yes, I have a pet. I have a pet parrot, I have a pet cat, I have a pet dog, his name is this, his name is that. This way you can write. And for those who don't have a pet, they simply have to write like no, no, I don't have the pet, like this. Clear? Now come to question number 2. Talk about 3 things that you and your pet do together. Suppose you have a pet, right? So you and your pet would like to do together the things. So you can say that we can go for a walk in the evening time, because in the morning you have to go to school. Okay, so in evening you will get time. Next, you can play together, and you can what? You can jump together. You can sit together at your home like this. So many things are there, children. Now, next question number 3. Question number 3. How do you look after your pet? Tell the class first in your own language and then in English. Yes. Suppose, children, if you have a pet, I think you must take care of your pets, especially the elder people in your house, your mom, your dad, or some elder brother or sister. In the morning time, they take out the pets for the morning walk so that they can shit outside. You can you just make your pet for a proper bath. Next, you give your pet special food, the food made for the pet, or a healthy food needed by it. So many things, and sometimes timely vaccination. You vaccinate your pet so that whenever it bites someone, suppose whenever it bites someone, uh, it nothing should happen to other people. Okay, so and you also take care of his cleanliness, right, children? So this is how you can take care of your pet. Now come to say aloud. Words are given in blue box. Bread, said, hay, today, roll, Paul. Hmm? Now, who am I? Yes, now come to who am I, children? Tiblu, Tiblu. Tiblu is my friend. Tiblu has four legs. Okay, Tiblu has four legs. Who has four legs? This Tiblu. Tiblu has a long tail. Who is Tiblu? Tiblu barks. Oh my god, who barks? I think you got the answer. Tiblu wags his tail. Who wags the tail? Right, right, right. Tiblu is happy. Who is Tiblu? Right. Tiblu is my dog. Okay, children. Now, children, let's move to the next question. Okay. So here, let's draw. Look at the dogs in the picture. So many pictures of dogs are here and write about them. You might begin like, I am a little brown dog. My name is Dash. Like this, you can say. So, children, in the first picture, see, yes, this. Have you seen this kind of dog? Yes, this is a bulldog. Its name is a bulldog. Now he has to speak about himself. This bulldog is going to speak that my name is Roxy. Suppose his name is Roxy. I am a short and strong dog. He's short, very short, and it is very strong. My nose is short. He has, my nose is short and flat. He has a flat nose. I have a short and thick neck. The neck is not sharper. It is very, what? It is very thick. So, this is the features of bulldog. Now come to this one. His name is Boxer. He says, my name is Tony. I am a boxer. I am a large dog with smooth hair. My nose is short. Its nose is also short and flat, just like the bulldog. I have a tail, okay, that has usually been cut very short, okay. It has a, see, look at his tail. It is very short. It seems like somebody has cut it, okay, like this. Now come to next dog. This is German Shepherd. He says, I am German Shepherd. My name is Zombie. I am a large dog. He is a large dog. And this dog is, you can also see the dogs in movies for catching the criminals. Okay. So, this dog is often trained to help the police and to guard buildings. Next is Doberman. Its tail is also looking very short. He says, I am a Doberman. My name is Jojo. I am a large dog with short and dark hair. I am often used to guard buildings. Okay. So these are the four dogs, children. Now join the dots and color and name your dog. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to trace over this like this, isn't it? You have to trace like this, children. Okay. And you have to color it. So it will be fun. And whatever name you wanted to give it, whether Boxy, Roxy, Tommy, Tiger. Okay, so many dogs names. Okay, children. Now come to next page. It is let's write. What you have to do here, you have to match the animals with their sounds. Just as a dog barks. So a horse neighs. Yes, neighs. Now a dog what? Yes, barks. A sheep bleats. Cat mews. An elephant trumpets. A tiger roars. A cow moos. Clear, children? So this way you can do it. Now next is, again there is a pink box in next question. You list these animals under domestic animals and wild animals. So first is jackal, fox, tiger, like this. You have to Okay, so first is jackal. So what we are going to do? Jackal, jackal. Do you find jackal near your house? No. So it is not a domestic animal. It is a wild animal. So jackal is a wild animal. Just write W over here. Fox. Again, it lives in jungle. So it is a wild animal. Tiger is also a wild animal. Dog. Do you see? Do you find dog in your neighborhood? Near your residence? Yes, we see. So it is a domestic animal. So, animals that we see near our houses are domestic animals. Cow, of course, we see cows, so domestic again. Elephant, so it is a wild animal. Bear, wild. Sheep, domestic. Goat, domestic. Buffalo, domestic. Clear, children? Okay, now next is we come here. Fill in the blanks with rhyming words, children. Now you have to tell the rhyming word. Hill, hill, yes, tell me. So the rhyming word can be bill, bill, pill, yes. Hay, may, may, say, fine, mine, nine, get, pet, met, going, sewing, rowing or knowing, knowing also. Clear? Knowing also. Here, care, mare, M-A-R-E. Okay, children. So this way you can do it. Now see, children. Next we have Bruno. Bruno is my pet dog because the dog is brown in color. So the name is Bruno. Bruno is my pet dog, pet puppy. He breaks his dish. He is sad. Daddy gives him milk, but Bruno is sad. Mummy gives him a new dish. Now Bruno is happy. Okay, so this was a very little poem. Now, based on this poem, you have to answer the question. That is, you have to choose the right words. So, let's start. Bruno is my dash, pet or dish? Pet. Bruno is my pet. He breaks his dish or fish? Dish. Do you know what is dish? It is a plate. Daddy gives him water or milk? Milk. Mummy gives him a new fish or dish? Dish. Now again Bruno is happy. Bruno is now sad or happy? Happy. Okay, children? Yes. So this was your poem, children. So learn and do all the back exercises. Okay?